Welcome my friends, Michelle here. I have a Dollar Tree Patriotic Wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make an adorable bandana patriotic wreath using Dollar Tree supplies. Let's go ahead and get started and let me show you how to make this adorable flower patriotic wreath. For today's patriotic wreath, you're going to need a 14-inch wire wreath form that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some nylon cable ties or zip ties. You can also pick these up at Dollar Tree. And then you're also going to need some plastic canvas, and you can pick this up at any of the larger craft stores like Michael's or Joann's. You can probably also order it online, and you're looking for a number 5, and that determines how large the squares are. To get your wreath form set up, you want to trace out the center onto your plastic canvas and then cut it out so it fits in the center. And then I'm going to be using my cable ties here to attach it to my wreath form. And you want to do that in at least 4 sections. And if you can, you want to hit a couple there onto a crossbar so it doesn't slide around as you're working on it. For your convenience, in the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. My wreath frame is all ready to go. I did attach it in 6 areas, one right next to each of the crossbars. You're also going to need several packages of the bandanas that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a package. They have several different ones to choose from. I decided to stick with more of the classic. So in this one, you get a flag. And this one you get the same colors. So that's why I decided to go with this package, because both of the scarves have the exact same colors. Though they're a little bit different, I can completely work with this. To prepare these, you want to iron out the wrinkles and remove any of the tags that are on your bandanas. I have a package of my bandanas laid out. Now I have ironed these and removed their tags. I have them layered one on top of another. Now the one on the back is a little bit larger than the one here on the top. That's okay. That's not going to cause us any problems. Now you want to cut them relatively in 4 equal parts. You can use a good pair of scissors or a rotary cutter, whatever you have. If you're enjoying today's content, make sure to subscribe. Now I want to separate this one piece from the others, and then on the rest here I want to alternate between this piece and this piece. So as I'm laying them out, I'm going to stack them and alternate them. So when you're done, you should have 2 stacks, one that just has the blue star, and then the other that alternates between the blue and the red and the red and white stripes. We're going to start to make our petals and attach them here to our wreath form. And the first row we're going to be attaching to the 3rd ring from the outside. So 1, 2, and 3. We're going to be zip tying it here. And in each section you will zip tie 3 of the petals in the middle. And I've just been alternating between the white and the red striped and then the checkered. On each piece you will have 1 full corner that has a finished edge. That is the one you want in the front and the one you want facing. Turn it over, take the opposite corner and bring it up. If it doesn't meet cleanly, that's okay. You just don't want it to come past that outer side. To get our placement ready, take your zip tie and get it around that 3rd bar. get it started. I'm going to go ahead and do 3 since I want to place 3. Let's see, I already have 1 in there. I'll place 2 more. Okay, so those are ready to go. Then I'm just going to take one corner here, I'm going to fold it over, and then I'm going to scrunch till I get to about the center. I'm going to go to the other side, fold that corner in, and then scrunch again till I get to the center. Okay, so that's the underside. You can see that's a raw edge. That's the underside. That's your top side. And that edge is still completely fine. It is not your cut edge. Take that, place it in, and tighten down your zip tie. Now you want that to come down about 1 inch past that zip tie. Nice and snug, and then trim your tie. I have my first row all the way around complete. I'm now starting on my second row. And on the blue stars, I did only 1 section, so that's just 3. I don't have a lot of these, so my blue section isn't going to be very large, but that's okay. And now I've moved down, and I've come down quite a bit. These are rather large petals. So you figure that wide, about that wide. I'll come down a couple inches, and you want to leave 1 open square in between where you go down and then where you come up, because if you pull too hard you can break the plastic canvas while you're attaching it. And make your petals the same way. I have all of my bandanas attached, and I'm very happy with the end result. It took 6 packages, and there are 2 bandanas per package, so a total of 12 bandanas. And you can mix them up however you want. I really liked the red, white, and blue, so I went with the kind of blue and red and white to represent the flag. I think that's great. Now it took me 3 layers. So here on the back, you can see I attached the first layer here to the 3rd ring. I moved down about 3 inches, attached my second row. Once I went through and attached my second row, I decided I wanted to add a few more because when I calculated it out, I had some left over. So I went back and added a few more into that second row. Then I went down into my 3rd row, and I attached the rest there, and I kept alternating between the 2 with the red and white, and then I kept all of my blue right in this area. Now I only had 6 pieces of this, so I have 3 on the outer, 2, and then 1, and that took care of the 6 pieces. Look at how thick and full and how beautiful that is. As you're attaching them, you want to lift them up and kind of cup them so they cup out. And I think that's absolutely gorgeous. Now, to finish off the center here, Dollar Tree has these really nice little metal signs that are round. They look like the top of a bottle cap. You have 2 to choose from. They have this one that has the little truck. It says God Bless America and Freedom. And then they have this one that says I'm proud to be an American. Now they will fit perfectly right in the center, making this look like a beautiful patriotic flower. I think I'm going to go with this one because it has more blue in it and it'll help pull out more of that blue. So I'm going to go with that one. And they do come with a jute cord, so they already have holes here at the top. So I'm just going to remove the jute cord. And then I'm going to replace that with a pipe cleaner in each of the holes. And that's what I'm going to use to attach it here to my wreath form. So just pull it to the back, get it snug, and give a good twist. Then you just take those pipe cleaners, you're going to feed it down through your bandanas, feed it into your plastic canvas in the back, and then tie it off in the back. And here you go, we are complete. Isn't that beautiful? With just 9 items that cost $1.25 from Dollar Tree, you can make this large 24-inch flower patriotic wreath. Thanks so much for stopping by. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I had a lot of fun putting this together. If you're looking for more patriotic inspiration, you're going to want to check out my playlist. You can click into it right here on the end screen. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.